Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the health benefits of Starfruit. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Starfruit, also known as carambola, is a tropical sweet and sour fruit that when it's cut in a cross section, it resembles a star. Starfruit is native in Southeast Asia, but is now cultivated throughout tropical areas of the world. In traditional Chinese medicine, starfruit has been used to treat fevers, sore throat, cough, asthma, headaches, inflammatory skin disorders like eczema, and fungal skin infections. Starfruit contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B5, folate, copper, potassium, and magnesium. Starfruit has anti-inflammatory, anti-infective, and anti-tumor properties. Starfruit is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Starfruit is high in fiber, which may help promote a healthy digestion. Starfruit may also promote heart health. Starfruit may also help lower blood cholesterol levels and may lower blood sugar levels. Starfruit may help boost your immunity due to its high vitamin C content. Starfruit is high in oxalates and therefore should not be consumed in high amounts. People who have kidney problems should not consume starfruit. Starfruit may interact with certain medications. As always, consult with your physician. I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.